Hey guys, it's Dancy, and I'm here to tell you about my cool tool, Remind.com. So, with my cool tool, I just want you to keep in mind, have you ever thought of any way to reach your students or parents about something that may be covered in class that day? Do you ever want to remind them about something? As a student, have you ever felt that you would like your professors to remind you about something upcoming? Well, I believe Remind.com is your solution. So what is Remind all about? It's a user-friendly tool that allows anyone to reach a group of people over a single text message. It can be used as two-way communication, but you can also restrict that just to send out basic reminders with no response, and it's built specifically for education. So when using Remind, you can log in with your Google account. You can see here I am logged in as Dancy Castle. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will say I am a teacher. Whenever you select that, it'll take you to your dashboard, and here it would show all of your classes over here and any class that you may be a part of. So we'll go ahead and create a class. And for this, we will say our name is ED350 for Technology in the Classroom. It will provide you with this class code, which you can provide to your students and parents to text to 81010, and then they will receive all the messages you send out. If this were serious, we would affiliate it with the school that I would be teaching at. And then Remind has a special feature making it extra safe that, especially for your middle and high school students, this is friendly that you will only message people 13 years or older. So with the younger grades, this would be really good for parents specifically. So let's go ahead and create the class. So now when we create the class, we will send a message. You will select the class that you create, continue, type out the message. You only have 140 characters, so you have to keep it limited. Here you can drag any photos, files, any link to Google Drive, your Google Classroom, Quizlet. They have a lot of great resources right here that can be used. So with this, I will go ahead and send it. And you can see here that it is confirmed that everyone in my class would have received this message test. And also really great feature on here is that I can send another test, but I can schedule it for a little while from now. So I now have a scheduled announcement, and I can set these up at the beginning of the week, at the beginning of the semester even, just so I can remind my students when upcoming things are happening. So that's basically it for how to do it. Additionally, you can add people if they don't get your code. I would say in the classroom, this is really good to remind students of upcoming quizzes, tests, when an assignment may be due. You can also remind your students or parents to bring in forms or items for upcoming events in the class. And this is a really great way to send out just general info about any events that may be going on in the school. I would say the pros of Remind are that it's fast, efficient. We have that feature that it can be scheduled. This is also free. And the only cons I would say is that this is restricted to word count. So if you have a lot to say, you only have a little space to say it in. And also, not all students or parents may have electronic access like outside of the school. I'd say in conclusion that Remind is a really great tool for outreach to your students and parents. It provides open communication between each of those, and it's a great way to build those relationships between the students and parents and keeping them up to date to build the bridge between home and school. So that concludes my Cool Tools presentation.